أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. In this session, we are discussing scaling and measurements and paper pen dynamics. The basic idea we have to know is that the size of the letter is determined by the size of column we are using. So if we use smaller chisel tip instrument, our letter will be small, and if we use largest chisel tip instrument, our letter will be also large. The basic unit we have to consider is nuqta. It is the smallest square we can write or we can draw with that column we are using. Looking into the peculiarities of a nuqta, there is a perfect square placed in a 45-degree angle. The all sides, that is, it should be a square, all sides should be in equal length, that is, which will be the length of our chisel tip we are using, and the angle should be 45-degree. Some if we can just make a square with any angle and also with extra length, that is not correct. Then we can discuss or we can move into dynamics of the pen, that is how to hold a pen. This is a clock showing 12 to 3. We have to know in how much angle we have to hold our pen. A lot of beginners actually think that the pen to be held in 45-degree angle, that is between 1 and 2, but that is not correct. Actually, we have to hold our pen in between 12 and 1. It depends on the letters we have writing. It may be 12 or it may be 1 or in between 12 and 1. It depends on the letter we have to write. Now another thing we need to be in mindful is that the fact that entire face of the chisel tip instrument to be on the paper all time. We can't lift the pen from the paper at any time. The entire face is on the paper. How do we do that? When we start writing, we may moving our wrist like we normally do with our pen, but that is not correct with Arabic calligraphy or any calligraphy we are writing. For constant stroke, we have to fix our wrist. That is, during calligraphy, don't move any fingers and wrist. For that, we can move the entire forearm during calligraphy writing. That is, entire forearm can be moved together. For practicing this, we can draw mountains, that is up strokes and down strokes. For getting more strokes, lengthy strokes, you can use extra water for diluting more. It will be useful. Inshallah, in the next session we will be start with letter practice. If you found this session useful, please do like and share to your friends. Assalamu alaikum.